Hi everyone, it's Mark here from Swagger and Jacks. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between a beard moisturiser, a beard oil and a beard balm? Let me tell you.
Our beard moisturiser is designed for short length beards and stubble. It has a rich, creamy texture to soften the whiskers and reduce itching. It prevents the skin from becoming dry and flaky. The non-greasy formulation is well suited to those with oily skin. For established beards, move on to a beard oil. Longer lengths need more hydration to manage the natural coarse texture of the whiskers. Best applied to damp whiskers to soak into the cuticle layer or to a dry beard for a high shine finish. Balm is designed to give hold and moisture to the beard, to be applied on top of your oil or moisturiser. Warm between your fingers or with a hairdryer, then style whiskers and leave to cool, to hold your style all day.
I hope that helped. But remember, all of our products are British made, paraben free and sulfate free and never tested on animals. And if you'd be interested in trying some of the products at the moment, we're offering free UK shipping together with our new subscribe and save service where you can receive an extra 10% discount on all your favourite products. Thank you.